Google Chrome extensions are all of these icons that you see up next to your URL bar. These are all basically apps that I have installed from the Google App Store. And the puzzle piece is sort of the manager for all of your extensions. So you can actually, if I've installed, for instance, this one is not pinned, but if I pin it, now I'll see the icon for that extension show up here right on my URL bar in the browser. So even though you have items installed and applications installed, you can view or unview them by clicking on the pin button here. You can also go to manage your extensions and you can either completely remove them or uninstall them or turn them on and off using the sliders here. Now there's lots of extensions that are regularly used here at FM. For instance, the read-write toolbar that we use for text-to-speech, or for instance, Cami for Google Chrome, which is a very popular extension that is used with teachers. We're going to talk about a few extensions here, so I do want to show you how do I get a new extension. First of all, you can go right to a new tab of Chrome, and over here, right up in your Chrome, you have this little apps icon, and the first item that pops up is the web store. If you don't see that, you can always just go up to the URL bar and just type in Chrome web store. And the first link that pops up will also be the same Chrome web store. And so now you can search for extensions to add them to Chrome. So one that I love to use is Google Keep. So if I find Google Keep, I would click on this. And right now it's installed, but you would say add to Chrome. And once it's added, it will be installed, but you'll have to still click on the puzzle piece and you'll have to actually pin that up here so that it's visible. So I'm going to pin it so it's visible. And there's my Google Keep icon. You can add, teachers have the ability to add any extension to Google Chrome, whereas students, we have blocked their ability to add extensions unless we've whitelisted them. And the reason for that is that a lot of students have gotten pretty crazy with extensions, and it can take up a lot of bandwidth if they're installing and using and kind of traveling with all of these extensions all over the district all day. And the other thing is that some of these extensions, a lot of them are not made by Google, and so some of them can be security risks. So most of the productivity apps are not an issue, but some of the more fun, gamey type extensions that the kids get into are, so that's why they're blocked for students.